Hey everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we are diving into a math problem to check if a given point is the solution to a system of equations. Specifically, we'll see if the point -3 and 5 is the solution to a given system. Let's get started. Let's read the question first. For which system is -3 and 5 is the solution? And choice A, we have 2x plus y equals -1, x plus 2y is equals 7. And choice B is given 5x minus 3y equals 12. And 2x plus 3y is equals 18. In choice C, we have 4x minus 3y equals -27. 2x plus 4y equals 12, and the choice D we have 3x plus 2y equals 1 and 6x minus 4y equals 2. So in this one, technically we will just go ahead and substitute these given values. If you are given in any ordered pair, as in this example, and if it's not indicated with vice versa, otherwise the first given element is always the x value and the second one will be the y value. So in this given choices, we're just going to substitute these values to determine whether if it's a solution or not. Let's try it with the choice A. 2 times -3 plus 5, does it give us -1? -2 times -3 is -6 plus 5. Yes, that gives us -1. And if I would put -3 plus 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus 3 gives us 7. So this works for us as well for this one too. So we just found the answer, we can say that. But let's check the other choices as well. In the choice B, we have this 5 times -3 gives us -15, and minus 3 times 5 is -15. -15 minus -15 is -30, not +12. Therefore, this is not answer. And choice C, we have 4x minus 3y. 4 times -3 is -12, minus 15 is -27. This works. 2 times -3 is -6, plus 20, 4 times 5. So technically this is 2 times -6 plus 20 gives us 14, not the 12. Therefore, this is not the answer. And in the choice D, we have 3 times -3, which is -9, plus 10 gives us +1. And 6 times -3 is -18, minus 20 gives us -38. If two numbers, they have the same sign, you add the numbers and keep the sign. So this is -38, not +2. So right choice is the choice A for the specific question. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or want to see more math tutorials, leave a comment below, and do not forget to like and subscribe to Math Jamboree. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.